Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are at and get you right out of the way. I suggest, because usually these are so rusted, they're just a pain to get out of there. I suggest grabbing your cutoff air grinder with your cutoff and coming the backside and just cut it off, because it's junk already. You can cut that thing out of there. Sometimes I'll cut it off right here on the shaft, and then I can move it around so I can get in there and cut that out of there. This is the quickest, fastest way on a bad sway bar link. Now, if you think the sway bar link is good on one side and you want to keep it, this is a really cool way to do this. You strip this out, then you've got to cut it off. Some guys use torches and cut it off, but like I said, if this is for the beginners out there, the do-it-yourselfers that don't have all those fancy tools. Okay, we clean that out. You're going to need your 18mm right there. E40 on this one. You can use your Torx wrenches. It is a pain, okay? If I see that the threads are really gunked up with rust, I'll spray it down the day or two before. Both sides, top and bottom. Doing it this way, you get to hold it. Just watch it, you don't get pinched. It's really tight. Done. As I said, the easiest way is to just buzz this thing off with your cutoff. Done. That simple. All right, just like that. Now you see how thick that was? Off.